You know, when web designers say stuff like, I've got the worst clients ever, I will go back to them and I'll say, what made you say yes to them or work with them in the first place? Because most of the time it wasn't a bad client, it was actually bad boundaries. You said yes to that client when you were already tired. You agreed to tight deadlines. You allowed them to keep feeding you more than one change. And at the end of it, you're the one working late and hating every second of it. But here's the thing that you need to wrap your head around, and that's how clients don't know your limits unless you tell them. They're not mind readers, and if you don't set boundaries, then they'll assume everything is fine. Just explain how you like to work before the project starts and how you like to progress as the project develops. Tell them how many changes they get and what happens if they delay feedback and how communication should flow. It's not about being strict, it's about being professional. Once you set those boundaries, everything will feel better. You'll stop resenting your clients and they might start respecting you a bit more. Because good clients won't always overstep once they know where the line is.